Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Statistics and Data Science. This is Rishikesh Kadam, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to make a group bar plot using Matplotlib library. So first of all we are going to import Matplotlib library as a PLD. PyPlot is basically one class from Matplotlib library, and for data we are use here NumPy library as a NP. After that we are going to make an array of 5 numbers, and match is basically the x-axis variable. Match is we have the data of 5 match, and we have the scores of 2 teams for that 5 matches. So you can see here this is the score of team A, this is the score of team B. For making the bar plot we are going to use pld.bar function. This is the first command line is basically for the first bar plot, and the second is for another bar plot. The first is for team A and another is for team B. So I specify here x is basically used for indexing the x-axis. So indexing the bars, or this is basically specify the position of the bars used for specify the x-axis. So you can see x, I specify here x plus 0.0, that is x is basically the labels for by default labels for the x-axis for the scores for the bar 1, that is for the team A. After that I specify the data of scores of team A. Color, here I use blue color. Width of that bar is 0.25. Label equals to team A. For second bar plot I specify here x plus 0.25 because it is basically specify the position of that bar. Basically first bar is on the zeros position, and if the width of that bar is 0.25, that's why I add the x plus 0.25 in the second bar. That's why they get attached to each other. And after that I specify the score of that team B. Color equals to red, width equals to 0.25 again, and label equals to team B. I specify the PL x-axis using plt.xsticks. Here I specify the x labels equals to, that is x-axis equals to match the total matches. We have 5 matches, so that's why we get 5 total bars on the in our bar plot, because we have 5 matches. So after that I am going to give the title to our bar plot, score of team A versus score team B. That for that title I specify font size equals to 10. For the I am going to specify the legend font size is 15, and lock is basically for the location of that legend. And for visualization of our plot, or to see our plot, we use pld.show function. So let's execute our command line. You can see here this is our plot. So as we specify 0.25 width for the first plot having color blue, so this is 0.25. As we specify x plus 0.25, the another bar, that is red color bar plot, is attached or get joined to with each other, and you can see this is the first. And as we specify x ticks equals to x comma the match, that's why our each bar is specified as each match. This is the first match, second match, up to the fifth match. And this is basically the legend. As you want to change the location of this legend, you have to you can change like this. Let's specify here, this is basically distance from the y-axis or from the left hand side. If I specify 1.2, and I specify this is 0.2 is basically distance from the x-axis from the base. Let's specify 0.3. So let's execute our command line. You can see the distance from the left side is also changed, and distance from the base is also changed. So you can use this code to make a group bar plot using, you have to just specify an array to the specify the bars of the bars, specify the location of that particular bar or bar plot on the x-axis. You can see here I just specify here x plus 0, and I specify here x plus 25 0.25, because as you specify width of first bar plot is 0.25, and I specify x plus 0.25, then the second bar plot get attached to the first bar plot. So this is the required procedure or required code. You can use this code for making the group bar plot. So thank you all of you. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thank you all of you.